friends, welcome back to Zebros 1314. Do you know about hydroponic gardening? Well, let's understand the concept of hydroponic gardening through this video. Hydro comes from Greek word hydor, which means water. So, hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, just with water. It is fastest growing sector of agriculture and it could very well dominate food production in the future. Now the question is how hydroponic works. It works on three basic principles. First, water-based nutrients. Plants are grown in a water-based solution that contains all the essential nutrients they need. Second, growing mediums. Instead of soil, plants are anchored using inert growing mediums like coconut coir, perlite, or rock wool, which provides support and help retain moisture. Third, controlled environment. Hydroponic systems are often set up indoors or in greenhouses where temperature, humidity, and light can be precisely controlled. This technique offers several advantages such as faster growth rates, higher yields, and the ability of grow crops in areas with poor soil quality. It's also an efficient use of water, making it environmentally friendly option. There are many advantages of hydroponics and here are some good reasons to start growing now.
Zero soil used. Grown in a inert medium without soil with perfect balanced pH, nutrient solutions and highly oxygenated water which is directly delivered to the roots. Second, it takes 1/4 of the space. You can plant 4 times the amount of crops into the same space as traditional soil farming. Third, no use of chemicals. Hydroponically grown crops use no herbicides or pesticides chemicals which impact the environment and our bodies. Fourth, 90% less water. Farmer claims that hydroponic crops use 90% less water than the same crop in traditional soil farming. Fifth, double growth. Some hydroponic crops can grow twice as fast as traditional crops with the correct amount of nutrients, water, and oxygen. Next is less plant disease. With no soil used, there are no chance of soil-borne infection for the plants. Last is plant to plate. With the fresh food supply, we can eat healthy food either cooked or raw. The future of hydroponic farming looks incredibly promising. As the global population continues to grow, the demands for sustainable and efficient food production method will only increase. This is all about hydroponic farming for now. Hope you find this video informative. Please like, subscribe and share.